you've been thinking about switching to Squarespace or WordPress, and you've read all the blogs about the differences and the pros and cons to each, but no one has shown you the back end and the differences of how each platform works. So I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of each platform. One of the first things that many people want to do on their website is change the fonts and colors. Within Squarespace, there's the Style Editor, which you can see here on the left. Within WordPress, to change fonts and colors, it's likely either in the Appearances tab or the Theme Options tab, but it will vary depending on your theme. The next thing you'll want to probably do is add content. On Squarespace, you can insert content right into any page or post with just a few clicks and see how it looks right on the page before you save. To insert content on WordPress, you can also easily add text and images on the back end, but you will need to save and view your page in another tab or window to see how it looks and adjust accordingly. One of the biggest disputes between Squarespace and WordPress is the plugins. Squarespace doesn't have plugins that you can download and install like WordPress, but you can see here the many options that are available to place in a page, like an Instagram feed. If you want to customize some of these content blocks, you can find snippets of code from developers, which I'll link to below. On WordPress, to insert any of these similar content options, or even some more robust features like a membership area, you'll need to download and configure a plugin. For more info on these platforms, check out the links below.